Hello and welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to install Nextcloud. On Nextcloud you can basically host your own data and upload your own data and keep your data secure all by yourself. Now I am going to be showing this on Ubuntu 24.04, but you should be able to install it on any Linux distro that supports Snap. So you'll want to find a VPS to actually install this on. Now I know that CrownCloud is actually not terrible on their prices. If you want to do this, you can just go and get a storage KVM VPS from them, and you can get this, but you'll need to ask for more RAM because the latest versions of Ubuntu need more RAM. But it's not a terrible price, and actually they work pretty well. Alright, so how to install this? You'll want to first get your VPS, and you'll want to SSH into your VPS. So I have this server over here that is on my local network. So it's right here, and you'll want to install Snap, which should come pre-installed on every Ubuntu install. So this is Ubuntu 24.04.2, and you'll want to make sure that all packages are up to date, which this should be up to date on here. I don't know why it wouldn't be. So you just want to get that all upgraded. And after that, you can start installing Ubuntu, the Nextcloud instance. So first off, you'll want to do sudo snap install Nextcloud. Holy, I cannot type today. The Nextcloud install. So you want to go sudo nextcloud.manual install, and then you'll want to type in a username, and you'll want to make a password. And since this is just a dummy on my local network, we're just going to make it password. But you should never make your password actually be that. But this is just a demonstration. Alright, and so once this is Nextcloud was installed, you'll want to set a trusted domain. So you want to do sudo snap, or not sudo snap, my bad, nextcloud.occ, and then you want to do config system set trusted domains 1, and then you'll want to set the dash, and you'll want to do value equals whatever your domain is, or your local IP address that you're running your Nextcloud server on. Now I have trail scale set up, so I'm just going to set this to Ubuntu server. So then you'll have to allow port 80. So you'll do sudo ufw allow 80.443/TCP. And then you can get a self-signed certificate. So you want to do sudo nextcloud.enable HTTPS and then self-signed. And now you should be able to go over to HTTPS. Okay, yeah, so that just means I'm gonna have to set that. Alright, there we go. Now we can log in. So you can just do your username, and your password reset. And there you go, you are in. You can go over here to administration settings. You can go to system, and you can see that Nextcloud is installed. Just like that. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.